Welcome back, dear students. Today we're going to study about industries in India. We're going to cover three topics today. First one is the industries in India. Second one is effect of global warming, and we will be learning few current affairs. So let's start with the first topic, that is industries in India. Although India has produced some of the greatest industrialists and bankers, it is still far from being called an industrialized nation. Stress on research and development and avoiding outsource of technology and fund are the key point towards making an industrialized nation. So we're going to do as the following. I will be read out about the description of the company, and I will tell you the industrial group that is associated with that industry. So the first one we have is the Indian company with whom the book publishing giant McGraw-Hill is in partnership is Tata Group. So the answer is Tata Group, the Indian company with whom the book publishing giant McGraw Hill is partnership is Tata Group. The second one on the list is the spearhead of Indian IT industry that has contributed globally to India's image as an emerging IT power, that is Infosys Limited. Infosys Limited is the answer. Third one, Engineers India Limited, a consultancy and a construction company of Government of India, was previously associated with Bectech Corporation. So Bectech Corporation, BECHTEL, Bectech Corporation is the answer. So if you want, you can take a note of this because this is going to be covered up in the exam. And the next one we have in our list is the India's largest manufacturer of pumps and valve, Kirloskar Group. Kirloskar Group. KIRLOSKAR, Kirloskar Group. So the fifth one, the environmental friendly paper manufacturing company that makes paper from sugarcane residue. So the company name is Tamil Nadu Newsprint. So they make paper from the sugarcane residue, which is very good initiative taken by them. The sixth one is the India's biggest biotechnology company. The answer is Biocon. So Biocon is the answer. India biggest biotechnology company. The seventh, India's biggest paint company that was awarded, the title is Best Under a Million by Forbes Global Magazine. The answer is Asian Paint. The eighth one, the first private Indian company to build small civil aircraft. Mahindra Aerospace is the one who built the private company, who built the private small civil aircraft. So for your information, we have J.R.D. Tata. He is the pioneer for industrial growth in India. You can find out about him, about his journey. And the other one we have on list is the tourism industry. It's one of the most important industry in any country, as it is the best source of inflow of foreign currency. The government has also started promoting tourism through the program called Incredible India. So now let's go on to the second topic, that is the global warming. Presence of excess level of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, etc. Do not let Earth cool down during the night. They blanket the solar heat and make the Earth's surface hotter. Increase in temperature has caused many problems, and if this continues, still worse to be predicted. Let us understand the possible consequences and prevent them from happening. So we're going to do a small exercise. The first one we have in our list is global warming can cause which of the following changes. So it doesn't cause any health related illness, no drought and floods, it causes air pollution. So the answer is A. Global warming effect cause air pollution. So the second one, global warming is the heated up of earth. Global warming is heating up of earth because greenhouse gases trap the heat and light from the sun in the earth atmosphere. Which of the following group of gases, which of the following group form the greenhouse gases? So the answer is first one, the A, carbon dioxide, nitrogen and methane. These three gases form the greenhouse gases which blankets the atmosphere, which trap the solar heat and makes the atmosphere more warmer. The third one, which of the following option is not an effect of global warming? So global warming effect, rise in sea level is the effect of global warming because melting of polar region ice resulted in the increased level of sea. Threat to polar animal because they are on the urge of extinction. The melting of polar ice caps and glaciers is the effect of global warming. So decrease in rain and snowfall across the globe is not the effect of global warming. So the answer is D. Next one, the most adverse effect of global warming has been seen in which of the following animal? Definitely sparrow, ant and tiger have no effect of global warming. The worst affected animal in this list is penguin. So they are in danger because of the global warming. So the answer is A. Fifth one, which one of the following river does not depend on Himalayan glacier and will not be affected if the glacier dries up due to global warming? So Ganga, Satluj, Brahmaputra. These are the three rivers which is flowing from the melting of Himalayan glaciers. However, Godavari is the one which will be not affected by the global warming. So the answer is D. Now let's read this interesting fact. The loss of ice has already resulted in decrease of the Antarctic krill population. Krill are small shrimp-like animals that provide food for a variety of animals such as whale, seal, penguin, squid, and fish, including fishes that we consume. If the population of krill decreases, the entire marine food chain may collapse, leading to an enormous number of extinction. So that's all for the global warming. Now let's move on to our next topic, that is the current affairs. So let's start with the first current affair, that is, which state CM awarded with the title the hero to the animal? CM of Orissa, Naveen Patnaik, honored by PETA India for feeding animal during the national lockdown, and he is the one who is awarded a hero to animal. CM of Orissa, Naveen Patnaik. Second one, when National Ocean Day is celebrated? Officially, World Ocean Day was established by United Nations General Assembly in 2008 to be celebrated worldwide annually on 8th June to resolve the problem of ocean and to save the ocean water. So it is celebrated on 8th June. When and who is appointed as new Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson? On 6th March, Anurag Shrivastava to replace Ravish Kumar as Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson. Fourth one, when and which mission NASA announced to study solar particle storm? March 30, 2020, a new NASA mission called Sunrise. The mission name is Sunrise, will be study what drives solar particle storm, giant surge of solar particle that erupt off the sun. Which Indian state has initiated radio school? Madhya Pradesh is the state which initiated radio school, because there are so many people who have so many students who don't have access to internet facility. Uh, Maybe there might be a lot of reasons. So they have started a radio, because radio is something which is accessible to everyone. So Madhya Pradesh is the one who initiated this. The next one, which is the official mobile app launched by Indian government to track the coronavirus tracking cases? Answer is government launches Arogya Setu mobile app to track the spread of coronavirus. And I guess everyone should have this app downloaded in their mobile, because if I see in my mobile, I can see there are 2 people infected within the radius of 500 meters. So this is to keep you informed that in your area this person is infected. So to be alert, so everyone should have this app downloaded. The next one on our list is, which government agency developed a biosuit to protect doctors from COVID-19? Defense Research and Development Organization, which is famously known as DRDO, has developed a biosuit to keep the medical, paramedical, and the personnel engaged in combating COVID-19 safe from the deadliest virus. 8th, name the kit developed by India to detect COVID-19 testing. Pune-based molecular diagnostic company MyLab Discovery Solution Private Limited has developed first made in India test kit for COVID-19 in record time of 6 weeks, which is very less. And the kit name and the testing kit is called PythoDetect. So the answer is PythoDetect. Which state announces 5T plan to tackle novel coronavirus crisis? Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal announces 5T plan, and 5T stand for testing, tracing, treatment, teamwork, and tracking. The last one is, when and which country has hosted G20 summit in 2020? March 26, 2020, the G20 summit was hosted by Saudi Arabia. So that's all for now. I hope you all are studying. Keep studying, keep safe, stay in. Till the time we meet next in our video. Take care, bye-bye.